Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've decided to do a no makeup look for you. So it's pretty simple and straightforward, nothing too special about this look. This is a very natural, simple look, very effortless, and like those lazy days if you just want to do something very simple, minimal, and you don't really want people to know that you put in a lot of effort or a lot of makeup on your face, then this will be the look for you. So if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep watching. First things first, we're going to start off with mixing our moisturizer and foundation. I'm just going to use 2/3 of moisturizer and 1/3 of foundation. This foundation here is full coverage, so I'm just going to use a little bit because I don't want to cover too much because it is a no makeup look and you still want to have your natural skin shining through. And then I'm going to use my Depth Beauty blender and just blend that all in. So as you can see, there's still some acne scars that's not being covered, so I'm just going to take a little bit of foundation and just blend around the area just to cover it just a tiny bit, but not too much because again, it's a no makeup look. Also, I'm just going to list all the makeup stuff that I used in the description box down below. I am not really good at saying what product it is right now, but yeah, so this right here is my matte concealer. I think the shade is NC35, not too sure, but I have everything listed down below. Just gonna use a tiny little bit of that under my eye only and just blend it out with the beauty blender just to make sure it's very natural and not too much. Next up, we're going to set all of that in, and with any translucent powder I'm just going to place it under my eye because it tends to crease quite a bit, as well as my nose, chin, and forehead area, so just my T-zone area mainly, and just like spread whatever that's left on the rest of my face. And I'm just going to contour a tiny bit with this Tarte Trio palette. I'm just going to take the darker shade and just put that in my crease, and also going to use that under my eyelid and not under my eyelid, what am I saying? My lower lash line, as well as for the nose contour. Then again, you want to blend everything out for that natural look, and I'm just going to use my Depth Beauty blender for that again. And with the highlight shade from that Tarte Trio palette, I'm just going to place a tiny bit on my brow bone, my nose, the tip of my nose, as well as the nose bridge. And then we are going to the blush. So I'm using this Maybelline blush, just a tiny little bit again. And with my stippling blush, my stippling brush, I'm just going to place that on my cheeks and then blend it out with the beauty blender again just so it looks very natural. I'm not going to do any contour here because I can see the contour line a little bit, so I don't want to go ahead with that. So yeah, this part I'm just going to use my highlight shade from the Tarte Trio palette and just lightly place that on my cheekbones as well as my temples and brow bone, as well as just above the arch of my brow. Alrighty, onto the brows now. I'm just gonna comb through my brow hair with a spoolie, and I'm using the e.l.f. eyebrow kit, the gel part of it, to fill in my brows. So I'm just using the tiniest bit of product here, and I'm just gonna fill in any gaps that I have. And at first it might look like it's a bit much and very thick and chunky, but we're gonna comb through that with a spoolie at the end to give that natural look. And now for my favorite part would be the mascara. I'm just going to curl my lashes, and then I'm going to use my favorite mascara of all time, this Catrice Glamour Doll Volume Mascara. I'm only going to just put one coat, one layer, just because it's supposed to be a natural look and not too spidery and goopy. So yep, that's the mascara part. So with whatever lip balm or chapstick that you guys have, we're just going to moisturize our lips before putting any lipstick. Right here I'm using a lipstick similar to my lip color, which is the Wet n Wild Mochalicious, and just dotting that all over my lips. And there you go, this is the no makeup look. Alrighty, so this is my no makeup look. I hope you guys actually enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below so I know you actually enjoy watching it. Do let me know down in the comments if you'd like to watch any other videos. I do have a few videos coming up real soon, a few ideas, so yeah, if you have anything else you'd like me to do, just let me know in the comments. Apart from that, I have nothing else to say except thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!